Hey there, I want to talk to you about a AI tool called Twee. So this is one that was recommended by a friend of mine, and it's got the tagline here about tools for English teachers, but I totally think you could use this tool no matter what it is that you're teaching. So early access is open now, so it's in a bit of a beta at the moment. So I've already signed up for this, but you just put in who shared this website with me, put my name in if you want. Put your name, your email, and get early access, and you'll get going. So when I go in, I can see the projects that I've already done in here, and it shows you a range of different tools and different ideas that you could use this AI tool for. I'm just going to demo one here, which I think is pretty outrageously cool, and that is getting some questions that you can ask students based on a YouTube video. So it's going to want the YouTube video, so I'm going to take this video here. So I'm just going to copy the link from this video about calculus, so not just about English, right? Put that link in there. It's going to only give me up to 5 minutes, all right? So you can lengthen it out so that it gives you more than that. In this case, the video is only 3 minutes long. So, or you can choose a section of the video, but you can only choose up to 5 minutes. So what kind of questions do I want? Let's go for multiple choice questions, for example. I could choose open questions, or I could choose true-false questions. I'm going to choose multiple choice and hit do the magic. So straight away, it's giving me this list of questions that I can ask my students based on the video, plus with the correct answers, right? Amazing. Now I can edit these if I want to. So if I don't like these, I can change them if I want, but it's a great place to start about, you know, if we've got this introduction video on calculus, I can then grab these questions. So I could go copy. I can then put these questions over in my OneNote and have the video playing with these questions there ready to go and ask students to fill in the answers. So this is what it might look like when you put it into your OneNote. I've got the video that I've just pasted the URL from the YouTube video. I've just pasted in my questions there. I've asked some other questions so that students could then go through and select the answers to those. Even better, what I did is I went to Word, just pasted those questions in, saved that Word document, and then what I do is go across to Forms and going to go to Quick Import, and I'm going to upload that Word file. Okay, so I put it in here. So there we go, calculus questions. So let's make this a quiz. So we can make sort of 1 point per question. We've got 7 questions there. So it happens pretty quickly. Start the review, and there you go. There's all the questions there that we got from Twee. So I'll just delete that first one there. Cool. So we got all the questions. I can say each one of these is worth 1 point. You're going to have to go through and say which one is the correct answer. Okay, so I've selected the right answers. Excellent. So I'm going to go collect responses, copy the link for those responses, and then if I go across here to my OneNote, what I can do is just put the form actually in here with the questions. So now we've got our Microsoft form embedded in here, right? So it looks like it's a little bit big, so we can make the video a bit bigger if we wanted to as well. Okay, so let's make the video bigger and nicer, move that over a little bit. And then we go. So we've got the video playing and we've got the questions. Students can go through and answer those questions as they go, and they'll get feedback right away after they've done it about their success or otherwise. Right, so they've completed that. So there you go. But wait, there's more. So if you go down the bottom here, you'll see that you can get the video transcript from the video. So if you want to grab that, I can do that as well. That will give me the transcript. So if you want to get a certain quote out of the video, so this could be a video on biology or chemistry, could be on history, certainly an English video, so you can do that as well. So here's the transcript from the video. Okay, so there's more. So we've got YouTube, we've got summaries, discussion questions for the video. So based on that video, it's just carrying through. So this is the same kind of project I've got going here. So here's some discussion questions that I can copy those questions, and I could put those into here if I wanted to, into my OneNote, to get students to answer. All kinds of things that you can do in there. Really sort of pretty amazing little tool here. So you can actually structure this as well if you want to move those questions up so they come before those ones there. So I can at one at a time move. So we've got the warm-up questions as we like it at the start. I can also hide these as well. We can create a print version. So if I include the answers here or not include the answers, so I can save the whole lesson that I've just done here as a PDF. So I guess I could import that as well into my OneNote if I wanted to, rather than just copy and paste. So lots of different options there. So I've just shown you some intro stuff. Just put in a video, get some questions in there, put them into OneNote for your students.